Hello, I'm here to show you how to create a Google custom search engine. This tool is a good tool to use with your students so that way you limit which websites they go to, or more specifically, they go to the websites that you only want them to use when doing some sort of research assignment. To show you how to do this, I'm going to use an assignment that I have given to my students before, and that is a nuclear chemistry web quest. All right. This web quest is an assignment that I have given. A lot of times, they just give a hard copy and they just go online and try to find the answer to these questions. Sometimes they just shared it with them, whatever. But they use the time to go online and try to find the answers to these questions pertaining to nuclear chemistry. But I have found that many times this assignment takes a really, really long time to do just because the students are going through pages and pages of websites trying to find answers to some of these specific questions. So creating a Google custom search will hopefully speed up this process and allow them to get to just the important websites a whole lot quicker. All right. So to create a custom search, the first thing that you're going to do is need to list all of the valuable websites that your students should be using. So up here, I created a second Google Doc that has a list of the 5 different websites that these students should use to fill in this assignment. All right, so here are my list of 5 websites that are used to answer these questions. To create the custom search, start a new tab here, and it's in the Google search bar. Type in Google custom search. Custom search engine should pop up right away. So if you click on that, first thing that'll come up is all of your custom searches that you have made before. And I made one for conservation of energy before. I don't want that one. I want to add a new one right here. So click on add. There's really not much to this screen and how to do it. Down here at the bottom, name the custom search. Since I'm doing something about nuclear chemistry, that is going to be the name. The sites to search, this is pretty easy to do. All you have to do, go back to your Google Doc, is copy and paste all of those websites into this Google custom search engine. So the first website right here, I'm just going to highlight it, Control C to copy, come back over here, Control V to paste. First one's in. And you're going to repeat that process for all of these websites. So I'm going to highlight that, Control C, Control V. And so do that for those last 3. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. And last one coming up. Copy and paste. There you go. All 5 of my websites are now in the custom search engine. Now, if you ever had to come back and add more websites, if you find another website that is good, or if you got to change the questions, you can just come back here and add those websites. And that's pretty much it. All right. So then you go down here to create. So I'm going to create our custom search. And there's different ways on how you can give this to your students. All right. Um, First way, if you want to embed this onto, let's say, a website, your Google site, or maybe a blog that you have, you can just hit get that code, and there's the embed code. You can just highlight and copy and paste that into your website. So that way, that custom search shows up on your website. Um, the public URL, if you hit that, that is our custom search. If I type in something about atoms right here, if you look, the only websites that come up after the ads are those specific websites that I used. All right. Um, so if you had to change it, modify it, go back to your control panel. So here's everything that you did before. And again, there's the code again. So if you want to get the code and put that into your Google site, you can do it that way. Or what I'm going to do, since I'm going to give this or share this with the students, here's the URL for my search. So I can just highlight, just right click that, copy that link address, and go back to my assignment, and I can just paste that right there. And right there on that website, if they click on that right there, it'll take them automatically to that custom search. So when I share this with them, either just in on their Google Drive, or if I share that with them in Google Classroom, they can have this. Just click on that, and it will go straight to that custom search that we made, and then they can use just those specific websites to help them answer all of these questions. And hopefully this will help speed up that assignment, and they can answer these questions a whole lot faster than what they were in years past. Thank you.